So I have a Kitchenaid mixer. This thing here is amazing. So I don't know if you can see that. That is a vegetable grinder. I love this thing. I used it for cheese. I have used it for vegetables. And this is what we're going to do today. So this is my video to show you how I'm going to basically shred some cabbage. Might get a little noisy, but all I'm going to do is basically show you, first off, that this is an attachment. There's 3 pieces to it, and I'll take it apart after we're done and I'll show you. But this is awesome. So there's a little container up above with 2 handles, which you push down when you get your vegetables inside it. So first of all, what we're going to do is, this is kind of backwards for me, so I apologize, but you don't overfill it. Put that in, push these down, turn your Kitchenaid mixer on to the first one, and go. This is amazing. So, you just push down on it, and as you can see, the cabbage is coming up slowly. Now, this one here might be too fine of a grind. You can always turn it up. The more you put it in, the more you're going to get. So here we go. I might turn it up just 1 notch, because I can. Might go a little faster inside. Like I said earlier, the cabbage was a little frozen. It might not be such a good idea to be doing this right now. I moved over to the other side so I could actually get it working better. Actually take this apart, but first of all I'm going to unplug it because safety first. So with that said, there's a little knob on the side here. You can see that. And then you just turn that and then basically twist this. Unlock it and twist. The cool part about this is that you just pop out. Okay. So you pop that one off. Comes in 3 pieces. So it comes with this. It comes with the blade, and if you have a hard time getting the bottom piece off, this is what you do. You just put it in there and carefully turn, and it comes off. So there's the other piece. And here is the cabbage slicer, whatever you want to slice. So I'm going to put this piece on the bottom, just turn it ever so gently, and then you insert it into here. And what will happen is you hold it gently, don't hurt yourself. Make sure that it is positioned in such a way. I've pre-chopped the cabbage from the fridge, so I'm going to plug it back in first. Safety first. I have an extension because I have a plug in my floor beside my island, which I absolutely love. But anywho, so back to it. So now, open up the lids. Put in a little bit of cabbage, not too much, because we just want to make sure that it's going to do it. And then we turn it on in the first setting. That seems to be much better. So it's shredding it up there nice. Okay, keep doing that. That's pretty good. I love this gadget. People say they don't want appliances for Christmas. Absolutely love it. As you can see, it's doing a great job. So get your Kitchenaid mixer out, go and get yourself some attachments. And I don't work for Kitchenaid, but I'll tell you, I love my Kitchenaid mixer. Have a great day.